So, TikTok, they do this thing, you take a picture, and then it chooses the song that it feels is suitable according to that picture.
Hey, y'all better look the fuck out today. My crayons are sharp, the box is full, my bottle of glue's topped off, and my helmet's on tight, baby. We about to rism with the tism. Let's get with it.
Put your penis in my booty and tickle on my little goobies. Lick my crack and break my back. Don't
Today, being retarded means leading a full life. Retarded people go to work or school, just like their neighbors, and come back to a real home. A supervised home, right in the neighborhood, where they belong. Being retarded never stopped anyone from being a good neighbor.
I am very sorry and I apologize for the inconvenience of me not giving over.